How to fix blurry pictures in Tinder. If your Tinder photos are looking blurry or low quality, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will show you why this happens and how to fix it quickly so your profile looks sharp and attractive. So let's get started. The first step is to check the image quality. The first thing you need to check is whether your original photo is high quality. Tinder compresses images, so if your photo is already raw resolution, it's going to look even worse after uploading. So use images that are at least 1080 into 1080 pixels and avoid screenshots or heavily cropped photos. Step 2 is to avoid over-editing and filters. If you are using heavy filters or editing apps that reduce quality, Tinder's compression can make the photo look even worse. So keep editing minimal and use apps that export in high resolution like Lightroom or Snapseed. And next step is to update the Tinder or reinstall the app. Outdated Tinder versions sometimes cause display issues. If your pictures still look blurry, try these steps. Go to the App Store and tap onto the search bar and type Tinder and search for it. Then tap on it, and if there is the update version instead of open, simply update your app. And if that also does not work, simply remove the app. Now keep on tapping on the app and tap on the remove app and simply remove it and reinstall the app. And that's it. Hopefully this helped you fix Tinder's blurry photo issue. If it worked for you, hit that like button and comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.